Hi, we just added a browser use tool to Stores so that it can allow your AI agents to browse the web. Stores is our open source Python library that lets you give LLM tools in as few as 3 lines of code. Let me give you a quick demo. Here, I created an AI agent by giving Gemini the browser use tool and our Slack tool so that it can browse the web and send us a message in Slack. I'm going to get it to message me in the general channel the top 5 launches on Product Hunt from the past day and what they do. Let's run the script. You can find this script on our website and copy and paste to use it. You see that first it used the browser use tool to go to Product Hunt. It tries to find the top 5 launches and their descriptions. And once it has the information, you'll use the Slack tool to send us a message. Notice how you actually used the wrong channel name initially, but based on the error message, correct it itself and try it again. And there we have it, the top 5 launches on Product Hunt from the past day in Slack. Again, Stores is our open source library for agent tooling. We have been building several open source tools that you can easily use as well. We'd love for you to try it and let us know what you think.